What the brap is up, people? Hey, I'm Cody with Dirt Nap Dirt Bike Adventures channel, and today I'm here to show you my dog. Hi, Deej. Trying to show these people my favorite items. Yeah, get out of here. So these are my 5 favorite items of the year that I use on every moto camp and plan to continue using through the years. The first one is the Wacaco Nanopresso. You've seen me promote it, you've seen Tim promote it, but these things are awesome. So this is actually 2 items in one, but this is the Nanopresso that actually makes your espresso, and this is the BARISTA kit that makes it easier to make double shots, and if you have company you can make more at once without reloading the Wacaco. But this thing is a game changer. I use it even when I am not camping, almost every day. So awesome. It's probably my #1 piece of gear this year. Most used, because I don't have to be camping to use it. Item number 2, real quick, is the Nemo Tensor. This mattress is great for side sleepers. Look how compact it is. It is pretty darn durable. I've used it for about a month now. I had the Sea to Summit Comfort Plus self-inflating, but I kept popping it, trying to fit it back in the bag that it came with, and it just irritated me. That was very comfortable. This is very close to as comfortable, and the size of it is at least half. And this thing is like 3 inches thick, so for a side sleeper this is great. It also says it keeps you warm down to about 20 degrees Fahrenheit. There's no R rating, but the bag says down to 20 degrees, and I tried it in 27 degrees and it did keep me warm. I slept till like 9 o'clock that morning. Hi, buddy.
Hi, bud.
Alright, another awesome piece of gear. Deej, come on, dude. This was a game changer. This Sea to Summit Spark 2. This is a 35 degree rated down sleeping bag. It's about the size of my head. For motorcycle camping, dual sport camping, or even lightweight backpack camping, this thing changes your world. I kid you not. I love this thing. Love this thing. So you can even compact it smaller if you want. You don't want to store it like this when you're not using it, but I try to use it as often as possible. So it's made of 850 plus loft down, and this thing is just incredible. I love the stuff sack. I love that it just packs down so small, and it is very comfortable. Very comfortable. Obviously it's not going to be lofted up right at the moment, but trying to show you the Sea to Summit. It does have the hood, and you can cinch it down with this drawstring that just stays there. The zippers are pretty good, fairly snag free, and there is a little liner here under the zipper so that the draft doesn't come in. But this baby is definitely in my top 5 of purchases, gear that I use all the time. It's getting winter here, so I'm not using it currently, although I did right until I just couldn't anymore, which was right around 35, 30 degrees. Sea to Summit makes a liner you can throw in these. I had it, but it's not with me now. So anyway, that gives you another 10 to 15 degrees rating on this thing. But for storage, for comfort, warmth, this thing is awesome. Like, you don't even know that you're packing it until you need it, and then you're grateful that you do have it. The next item is another top 5, definitely. It's between the Sea to Summit, the Wacaco, and this that are my favorite items. I would not want to camp without. This is the Big Agnes copper spur HV Bike Packing Edition. So there is one like it that is not the Bike Packing Edition, but you want the Bike Packing Edition. Why? Pretty much the same tent, but these poles compact down to 12 inches. So for storage, you can't beat this thing. It is pretty light. I think with the poles and everything, I'm not sure, around 4 pounds, whatever. It is awesome. It is roomy. I have slept in it with another person and without another person, with gear and without gear. And this thing is awesome. It doesn't leak. It keeps you pretty warm, keeps everything in. It does have ventilation. Haven't had a condensation problem with this thing unless I forget to open the vent, which is user error. But this thing is awesome. You'll probably see it in all my camping videos, but the poles come off into a separate bag if you want, so you can make somebody else carry the poles, or you can just store them separately. Like on the Moscow Moto, there's a spot for tent poles, which is awesome. And then you're just down to this. This is the Rainfly, the footprint, and the body of the tent right here. And that's with the poles. Now a note is it does not come with the footprint, and it is pretty spendy, but this is definitely buy nice, not twice, right here. This thing has changed where I can go, how I get there, and how huge my packs are sticking off of the bike hitting trees. So definitely worth looking into. One of my favorites. No, you can't have it. And the last item of my favorite items is this baby right here. This is the Petzl ACTIC Core headlamp and NOCTILITE case. Why do I like the ACTIC Core? Well, pretty cool. It is rechargeable. It comes with a USB recharger, so if you're riding your motorcycle and need to charge up your headlamp for the night, you can charge it while you ride off of your USB port. Totally convenient, totally awesome. It's got 3 settings. Just totally awesome. And then the NOCTILITE case, number 1, it protects your headlamp. Number 2, you can put the USB cord down in the bottom. Simply stick your headlamp inside the case, roll up the headband, zip it closed, and you now have a tent lantern or a table lamp with 3 different levels. And one bonus feature is wrapped around the case is this hook that has a built-in nylon string, so you can hang it from the top of your tent. And like I said, this is one of my favorite purchases, most used. Keep this in my tent gear all the time. So links to all of these will be in the description below. Leave some comments if you have these or want them, or any questions. I am happy to answer. But those are my favorite items of 2019 and beyond. Thanks for tuning in. As always, stay safe. Come join the adventure, baby. Happy holiday.